This video is for reference and is only used to simulate on-site inspection and maintenance. The transition resistance and DC resistance of the diverter switch must be measured by professional tools. This process is omitted in this video. Before inspection, please read the operation instruction carefully and prepare the parts that need to be replaced. Many fasteners on the tap changer are disposable and must be replaced with new ones after removal. Preparation. Wear work clothes, work shoes, and a safety helmet. All necessary tools must be prepared. No jewelries, no sundries in the pockets. Goggles are required on special occasions, and safety belts are requested for climbing. OLTC switch insert lifting. Turn off motor drive unit's power. Drain the oil compartment through the oil suction pipe. Operate the OLTC to the adjustment position. OLTC without changeover selector should also be at the adjustment position. Open the gas discharge stopper on the head flange to bleed the OLTC. Remove the M6 screws on the bracket of the horizontal drive shaft and take the drive shaft away. Remove the 24 pieces of M10 screws on the head cover and then take away the head cover. Be careful to properly store the screws, nuts, O-rings, and other parts. Remove the snap ring and take out the position indicating plate. Use a wrench to remove the nuts and washers on the lifting plate of the switch insert. Use the lift string strap to hoist out the switch insert. Pay attention to the oil dripping and clean it in time. Temporarily put back the oil compartment head cover. OLTC switch insert inspection. Rotate the main shaft of the insert and use a tool to move the MDU's safety buckle to ensure the two sets of arcing contacts in the middle of the contact shell are closed. Check the elasticity and appearance of the contacts outside the three-phase contact shells. Check all fasteners outside the contact shells to ensure they're reliably fastened. Before disassembling the contact shells, open the locking tabs on the 8 fixing screws. Remove first the screws on both sides and then those in the middle. Take away the contact shell. Check contacts wear and spring pressure. Remove the connecting slices between the arcing contacts. Check the flexibility of the contact brackets and the appearance and thickness of the contacts. Contacts whose thickness is less than 6 mm need to be replaced. Check the appearance of the upper and lower braided contact leads for wear or breakage. Common parts replacement. Replacement of arcing contacts on the contact shell. Disassembly. Remove the fixing screws of the arcing contacts on the contact shells and take away the pressure plates and the contacts. Installation. Reset the contacts and pressure plates, tighten the screws, and lock the screws with the punch. Braided contact lead replacement. Disassembly. Loosen the screws and nuts fixing the braided contact leads, and then take away the leads. Installation. Use screws and nuts to fix the braided contact leads on the corresponding laid-out plates. Tighten the screws and nuts. Arcing contact replacement. Disassembly. Use a special tool to open the locking tabs that fix the arcing contacts nuts. Loosen the screws fixing the arcing contacts and remove the contacts. Installation. Reset the arcing contacts and tighten the screws that fix them. Use a special tool to lock the locking tabs of the screws. Shear pin replacement. Disassembly. Loosen the screws between the oil chamber and the lifting plate. Remove the nuts, washers, equalizing aluminum parts, screws, lifting plate and insulating main shafts. Be careful not to drop the nuts and washers into the oil compartment. Remove the end of the main shaft with the shear pin and then the shear pin. Installation. Reset the new shear pin and tighten the screws. Combine the two parts of the main shaft. Pay attention that the direction of the screws must be the same as those at the other end, and tighten the upper fixing screws. Put the main shaft into the oil compartment. Put back the lifting plate and tighten the screws on the upper part of the oil compartment. OLTC reassembly. Reinstall the connecting slices between the arcing contacts. Use a punch to tap 5 points on the newly replaced contacts. Reinstall the contact shell with another person's assist. Tighten the 8 fixing screws in the order of first, middle, and then the 2 sides, and lock the locking tabs. Rotate the main shaft, operate a few times, and stop at the right side, even number, safety buckle position. Open the head cover of the oil chamber. Use a lift sling strap to slowly hoist the switch insert into the chamber. The lifting plate of the diverter switch and the upper flange must completely coincide, which means the switch insert is in the correct place. Reinstall the nuts and washers on the lifting plate of the switch insert. Reinstall the diverter switch's position indicating plate and use the snap ring to fix it. Put on the head cover and reinstall it with 24 pieces of M10 screws. Reinstall horizontal drive shaft. Operate the OLTC to the adjustment position.